I wake up and go to the kitchen. I wake up and go to the kitchen. I fill the jug with water. I fill the jug with water. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. I take out eggs. I take out eggs. I crack the eggs into the pan. I crack the eggs into the pan. I add a little salt. I add a little salt. I stir the eggs slowly. I stir the eggs slowly. I put bread in the toaster. I put bread into the toaster. I pour milk into my cup. I pour milk into my cup. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I cut the tomatoes on the board. I cut the tomatoes on the board. I put the pan on the stove. I put the pan on the stove.
I set the plates on the table. I set the plates on the table. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I clean the kitchen after eating. I clean the kitchen after eating. I wash the dishes and dry them. I wash the dishes and dry them.